Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to update your Shopify theme. Let's get started. In order to do this, you should be able to head over to your online store on your Shopify dashboard. Now from in here, you should be able to see your themes. So as you can see, I'm in the Sense theme right now and I have the Sense version of 13.0.1. So this one is our latest version. So if you actually have a 12.0.1, you need to update that. So if you have this option, it will actually release the most updated version once you head over in here on your ad theme. Now you can visit your theme store, and on your theme store right here, you should be able to see some themes that you can use for your actual store. So what you can do is you can just head over and sense or look for the sense theme that you want. And then in here, you just need to actually try this theme in order to update it. So once you have clicked on this will update the theme that you have. It doesn't need to be a Sense theme. You just need to look for the themes that you have right now. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, below, or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.